Greetings unto folks, this is CHCKEN representing for my two left hands. I don't know what y'all did, yeah, but y'all convinced Chef to get me in the kitchen and camera, so here goes. Alright, so today I will be whipping up something real quick, some pineapple chicken, my style. Today I will be using pineapple tidbits. I mean, of course I could use a real pineapple, but for the interest of time and to feed these worms in my belly, yeah, we're just gonna be using the pineapple tidbits. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we got some chicken breasts. Slap that on the combo real quick. Alright, so we're just gonna wash these off. So we're cutting up this chicken right now into little bite-sized cubes.
So Claire, why do you like pineapple chicken? Why is that your favorite?
It's not a favorite. I don't think I have any favorite food. I just be liking food. But I've done it before. Came out real good, and I just like doing it. I like the variety in flavors that comes out in this. It's seasoned. You got sweet and spicy, and then the pineapple flavor in between. I'm actually moving fast, guys. This is not fast forward. I'm trying to get out in and out. You gotta come back and get any of the big chunks and cut them down to size. There we go. Alright, so now we're gonna add some of these seasonings just to flavor the chicken. Got some Maggi chicken seasoning. Alright, we got some little all-purpose. I got some garlic powder. Yeah, don't really wash that. Got some black pepper too. So I'm gonna add the sweet and sour sauce. It's gonna give it a nice flavor, and it's gonna really give it a nice color too. So now we're gonna get our pineapple tidbits. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add some of the juice and some of the pineapples in this, and then we're gonna save some to make our sauce to go with the rice. Alright, we're just going to add these bad boys up in here. Let's get a couple of these guys. Gonna add these guys to the mix. Alright. So if you're like me and you like spicy, you can go ahead and add some pepper. For tonight, I'm just going to add some crushed red peppers. Now we're going to add these to the pan, get ready for the oven. It's alright, just like that. I want to get all the juices up in there. You know what I mean?
Right here we did this off camera, but I had to catch this little part. We're basically mixing the sweet and sour sauce with the tidbit juice and also the pineapples with seasoning. whatever seasoning you have, you can go ahead and mix it in to just make it a little bit more flavorful. And this is the sauce that we're going to be adding on top of the pineapple chicken.
Kind of light it back. And it's back a little bit for gravy. So it's like me take out some of the chicken, take out some of the juice, make the sauce, and add it back to this. Never want the chicken to stay in the oven and boil. So this nice and juicy right now.
Tell them what you got, babe.
Alright, so this is the pineapple chicken with some seasoned rice, Korean style. Yo, I gotta go, I'm hungry, yo. And this is just the first one.